Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP, ABAP tip 49. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can stop inheriting or basically set up a class that can't be used for inheriting in the future. Here right now we are in the built-in class builder within the object navigator, so within the transaction SE80, and here I have opened up one class set CL_ERP_UP. And basically to stop inheriting, here you have one checkbox called final. If you specify a class as final, then other ABAP classes can't inherit from this class in the future, so that there can't be any subclasses for this class. Of course, this class can still inherit from other classes, so that there can be some super classes, but there can't be some subclasses down below. So let's basically go into the edit mode, set this final indicator, let's save it and let's activate it. So this is now active, and let's basically test this. So therefore we are going into the SE24, so the class builder, and then just enter for example another class, and let's create this, and let's just use test, and here create inheritance. Here we enter this class which is final, and by the way, here while creating a class you can also specify this indicator. So this I will remove, and then I will click on the save button, and here you get the error message so that this class is final and it cannot have subclasses. So basically inheriting from this class is prevented. And yep, I said this. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay tuned and not miss great upcoming videos. There's still 41 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available and upcoming. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.